Ooh, 10 minutes. 10 minutes, y'all, for Runaway, Railway. Woo, 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 woo. Woo, woo, woo. Ka-chow. We're on it today. Oh. Thank you. Oh, it's cold in here. It's kind of nippy in here, y'all. I'm cold. Ugh. It's because I had another shirt, but then I went on Grizzly Rapid Run, and then I got drenched. So I threw that shirt in my backpack, and I had to change into this one. So it's kind of cold in there. Sorry about all this walking. It's just really fast sometimes, you know, like I can't help it. But mind you guys, they don't let you record in this ride. So what we do, if you guys are new here, we sit you in my pocket and then we come out in like 3 minutes or less and be like, surprise! And then you guys get to see the whole ride. So if it gets dark, no, it didn't. Just hang tight for like 3 minutes or less and you'll see what I see. Because someone ruined it for everyone else, and I think they dropped their stuff on the ride. So now there's signs saying you can't hold anything in your hand on the ride, including Mickey Mouse ears. It's kind of sad.
Move down to your left side, Peter 3, left side.
It's only 11:39. No, it's just regular park hours.
CapiTOON Theater, go ahead and fill in all the available space that you see.
Oh.
Papa's coming. 4. Papa's coming.
Right there.
Double tap, guys. Share that live, guys. Double tap. Hit that follow.
Crazy how many videos you
Nine. I will right after.
Hi, Goofy! We're only leave for a picnic. We're off to the farm. See you all later.
How are you?
Oh, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train?
Yeah.
Excuse me, you there.
Oh, me?
Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive?
Into the cartoon? Sure.
Thanks. Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
Cartoon friends, just get your group together, okay? It's a little dark.
I feel like it might be dry out.